Hello students, in this video tutorial I am going to detail you regarding the different types of bearings and a meridian, and first of all what the bearing is all about or what the meridian is all about. Okay, when it comes to the bearing, a bearing is something like we are going to measure in the clockwise direction with respect to the reference line or the direction. This reference line or the direction will be called as meridian. There are three types of meridian as you can see on the board: true meridian, magnetic meridian and the arbitrary meridian. And this bearing, which is nothing but the horizontal angle between the reference line and our line of interest, it is called as bearing. There are three types of bearings are there as you can see on the board: true bearing, magnetic bearing and a arbitrary bearing. Now let us see what the true bearing is all about. A true bearing is nothing but the horizontal angle between the true meridian and our survey line or our line of interest. What is magnetic bearing? A magnetic bearing is nothing but it is again the horizontal angle between the magnetic north and our survey line or our line of interest. Coming to the arbitrary bearing, the arbitrary bearing is nothing but the horizontal angle between the arbitrary meridian and our survey line or the line of interest. When it comes to the true meridian, now let us see what the true meridian is all about. A true meridian is nothing but a line or a reference line joining true north and a true south. What is magnetic meridian? A magnetic meridian is nothing but the direction shown by freely suspended, perfectly balanced magnetic needle which is without any external destruction, which is called as the magnetic meridian. Direction shown by freely suspended and a perfectly balanced magnetic needle without any external obstruction, which is called as magnetic meridian. Coming to the arbitrary meridian, arbitrary meridian is nothing but the reference line or the direction with respect to any prominent objects or the prominent structures is called as the arbitrary meridian. That is, with respect to the direction of any of the prominent object or the prominent structure, we are going to find out the arbitrary bearing, and those direction or the reference line with respect to the prominent object will be called as the arbitrary meridian. This is all about the different types of bearings and different types of meridians which comes under the concept of bearings and a meridian. Thank you so much for watching this.